Welcome back to CarWow 787, your ultimate destination for automotive news, reviews, and future car innovations. If you're passionate about unique vehicles and love seeing new automotive designs, then you're in the right place. Today we have something truly unexpected and exciting: the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen is reinventing the Beetle and merging it with the practicality of a compact pickup truck. This new 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup is a perfect blend of retro styling, modern utility, and electric efficiency. So, is this the next big thing in the world of urban pickups, or just a quirky experiment? Stick around because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this fascinating new VW model. Let's start with the most obvious talking point: the design. Volkswagen has taken the iconic curves of the Beetle and stretched it into a compact yet stylish pickup truck. The front end retains that classic Beetle charm, featuring rounded LED headlights with a modern DRL signature, a smooth aerodynamic front grille, now with a closed-off design hinting at its electric powertrain, a sloping hood and curved fenders giving it a distinct retro meets modern vibe. But the biggest change? The cargo bed at the back. The truck bed is 4.5 feet long, making it perfect for city hauling or weekend adventure trips. A rugged, reinforced tailgate with the signature VW logo. Hidden storage compartments under the bed, inspired by the Honda Ridgeline's in-bed trunk. Optional roof racks and cargo accessories for added versatility. Volkswagen also offers some bold color choices, from classic Beetle yellow and red to matte black and deep metallic blue. Overall, this design stays true to the Beetle DNA while introducing a practical twist for modern drivers. Let's talk interior. Step inside and you'll notice that Volkswagen has masterfully blended retro aesthetics with modern tech. His rounded dashboard brings back classic Beetle nostalgia. A fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, battery range, and navigation. The 15-minute touchscreen infotainment system is loaded with VW's latest AI power software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard. A premium Harman Kardon sound system delivers immersive audio. The seating is designed for both comfort and practicality. Vegan leather seats with heating and cooling functions. A two-row configuration, seating 4 adults comfortably. The rear bench can fold completely flat, expanding interior cargo space. Volkswagen has also included clever storage solutions, such as a hidden glove box compartment, underseat storage bins, a retractable center console that can be used as a mini workspace. The overall cabin is minimalistic yet functional, making it a perfect daily driver for urban adventurers. Now, let's talk about what really makes this Beetle pickup stand out: its powertrain and performance. Volkswagen has confirmed that this model is fully electric, built on the MEB Plus platform, the same architecture used in the ID, Buzz, and other VW EVs. Single motor RWD variant, 250 horsepower, 0.60 mph in 6.5 seconds. Dual motor AWD variant, 350 horsepower, 0.60 mph in 4.9 seconds. Battery options: standard 77 HEH battery, 250 mic, fast charging capability, 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes. The Beetle pickup is not meant to be a heavy-duty work truck, but it's surprisingly capable. Towing capacity 3,500 lps, payload capacity 1,000, adaptive air suspension for a smooth ride on different terrains. Volkswagen designed this pickup for urban mobility and light adventure use, making it an excellent choice for those who need a practical yet fun electric vehicle. Volkswagen has packed the 2026 Beetle Pickup with some cutting-edge technology to enhance safety, connectivity, and overall driving experience. Smart AI-infused infotainment. The Beetle Pickup features VW's latest voice-activated AI assistant. It can predict your driving habits and suggest routes based on traffic patterns. Supports real-time OTA updates, keeping software fresh. Advanced safety systems. Volkswagen has ensured top-tier safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with lane assist 360-degree cameras, and parking assist blind spot monitoring. 3 Smart bed features. The truck bed includes built-in 120V power outlets, perfect for campers or mobile workers. Optional extendable bed rails for carrying longer items. A modular divider system lets you customize storage. Volkswagen has truly optimized every inch of this vehicle for modern life. The Volkswagen Beetle Pickup 2026 is aimed at young professionals looking for a stylish, practical electric vehicle, outdoor enthusiasts who want a compact pickup for weekend adventures, urban drivers who need cargo space without the bulk of a full-size truck, Volkswagen fans who love the Beetle but want something with modern functionality. This model is not for those who need extreme towing power, but for everyday versatility, it's a perfect choice. Volkswagen has not yet confirmed an official price, but industry insiders predict base RWD model around $38,000. AWD dual motor version around $45,000. Fully loaded trims could reach $50,000 plus. Production is expected to start in late 2025, with deliveries beginning early 2026. VW may also offer special launch editions with exclusive paint colors and accessories. So what do you think of the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup? Is it a brilliant innovation or just a quirky experiment? If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest automotive reviews and industry insights. Thanks for watching. Your channel name. We'll see you in the next video. This script keeps viewers engaged, informed, and excited about the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup while maintaining a fun and professional tone. Let me know if you want any modifications.